So the flow of electrons is called blank. Okay. Correct answer po is electric current. No? So yun po yung tamang sagot natin. Electric current. So because that is the flow of electrons. Okay. Yung resistance po is opposition. No? Yan po ang kanyang keyword. Ito po is force or the work done by charge. The conductance po is the flow, or not flow but the reciprocal, no, or inverse of resistance. Okay, so next question po natin. Okay, so ito. Okay, so a wire has a resistance, lakihan ko na, of 1.5 times 10 to the power negative 8 ohm meter. The length is 100 meters. The area is 3 times 10 to the power negative 6 square meters. We have to find the resistance. So ibigay ko na po muna yung formula, no? L over A. Yan. Okay. So we have, dito ko lang susulat yung solution. So 1.5 times 10 to the power of negative 8, okay, times 100 over the area is 3 times 10 to the power of negative 6. Yan. Okay. So i-calculate natin yan. So 1.5. So times 100 over 3 times 10 to the power of negative 6. Okay, so the correct answer is 8 pala to. Yan, 8. Yan. So, yun po, kapag nagkamali po kayo ng input sa calcu, no? So, tanghin niyo po yung tamang sagot. So, 1/2 or 0.5, no? So, letter B, which is 0.5. Okay? This will be ohms. Okay? Next question. The negatively charged particle is, so ano po, yung negatively charged particle sa isang atom. Letter B, no, electrons. What material, which material is an insulator? So alin po dito yung insulator? So the correct answer po is letter C, no? C. Okay, of course, copper, silver, and aluminum are the 3 most conductive material, no? And which is usually used for our wires. Yan, no? Okay. Next. So the SI unit for current, no? Ano po yung SI unit for current? Ampere, no? Okay, next. The voltage is electrical. Yan. Is it pressure, friction, resistance, or motion? So the correct answer po is letter A, pressure. So when you say pressure, this is also same meaning as force, no? And the other term for voltage is EMF, or the electromotive force. Yan. Okay. Yan. No? So next, so resistance is measured in. Sobrang dali yata nito. Ohms or ohm, no? Okay. So ito. So the formula for resistance in a conductor. Ano yung sagot? So letter B, no? So for ano po, para po hindi po talaga kayo malito or makalimutan, para ma-memorize. So you just have the yung ano ko po, yung technique ko is R pala, no? R pala. So R is equals to rho L over A. So R pala. Yun. So yan po yung resistance in a conductor. R pala. Okay. Next. Ohm's law. Dito tayo. Ohm's law is, alin dito yung Ohm's law? Letter B. Okay. Next. The graph of Ohm's law is blank. Okay. Yung graph. If you are going to graph, no? Okay. So, in case ito yung ating current, ito yung ating voltage, tapos tawag doon, constant yung resistance. So what will be the graph? Yung A is circular. Pag ganito ba yung graph natin? Hyperbola is yung pag ganito. Or parabola, no? Yung dalawa yan. No, parabola is isang ganito. Or linear, pag ganyan. So alin yung sagot nyo? So the correct answer for this one is linear. Yan, linear. So because as your current increase, your voltage increase, your current also will increase. If gawin po natin tong tawag doon, voltage, this one is resistance, so they are current and this are resistance, so they are inversely proportional. So ang mangyayari din, yung graph will just be ganito, pa down. Yan. So pero linear pa rin, linear pa rin siya, not a curve or a circle. So linear. Ohm's law is linear ang kanyang graph. Okay? Next. Power is measured in. Yan. So the correct answer for this one is letter C, no? Watts. Okay. Next. The unit of capacitance. So the correct answer for this one is letter B, which is in farad. Okay. Then the unit of inductance. So ano po yung unit ng ating inductance? Okay, the unit for inductance is Henry. Okay. Next. Capacitors store energy in. So the correct answer for this one is in their electric field, which is letter B. Okay. Next. So inductors store their energy in blank. Sana in-store na kailang energy. Okay, so the correct for answer this one is they store their energy in their magnetic field. Okay. Yan. Okay, next question. Conductance is the reciprocal of, so ano yung conductance? Answer is letter B, no? Resistance. Okay. Okay, next. So semiconductors are used in. So alin po dito yung gamit ng semiconductors? Yung correct answer is letter A, no? Diodes, no? So not for transformer, motors, or generators. So semiconductors are used for electronic devices. Diodes, transistors, integrated circuits, microchips, no? LDR, no? Or not LDR, LED, LDR, LED, no? Light emitting diodes. So those are semiconductors. Okay, next. Okay, we have here a problem solving. A charge of 60 coulomb passes through a conductor in 12 seconds. So what is the current? Yan. Okay. So we have I is equals to Q over T. So sa mga hindi po masyadong malala yung formula, so isipin nyo lang na kayo ay gwapo, no? I, QT. Yan. So I am a QT. Yan. Okay. So I is equal to your charge is 60 coulomb divided by 12 seconds. So 60 divided by 12, that will be 5 amperes, no, which is letter B. No? Okay, a resistor is connected to a 124 source, draws 60 amperes. So we need to determine the resistance. Okay, so basic Ohm's law lang po to. No? Is equals to V over I. So we have 120 volts divided by 6 amperes. So R is equal to, so 120 divided by 6, no? So that will be 20 ohms, no? Which is letter C. Okay. Next, an electric heater operates at 220 volts and draws 8 amperes. So the power consumed is, so hinahanap ito is yung consume natin na power. Okay, so P is equals to V times I. So we have 220 volts times 8 amperes. So this is equal to, pag kinalkyo po natin yan, no? Hindi na po kaya ng mental math ko. 220 times 8. So 1,700. Yan, 1,700. So 1,760 watts, which is letter C. Okay? Next, a 50-watt appliances operate appliance operates for 6 hours. So what is or determine the energy consumed? Okay, so let's try to answer this one. So E is equals to P times T. So power is 500 watts times 6 hours, no? So para maging kilowatt, i-divide na po natin yan ng 1,000. So 500 times 6, 3,000 divided by 1,000. So we have 3 kilowatt hour, which is letter C. Okay? Next. Ito. A capacitor stores a charge of 8 times 10 to the power negative 4 coulomb when connected to a 220 volt source. So determine the capacitance. Yan. Capacitance po yung hinahanap. Okay, no? Solution. Okay, so we have C is equal to Q over V. So, if wala pong calculator, mahirap-hirap po ito, no? 8 times 10 to the negative 4 times 200 volts. Okay, so let's calculate this one. 8 times 10 to the power of negative 4 divided by 200. Okay, so we have 4 times 10 to the power of negative 6. So yung times 10 to the power of negative 6 po is, that is micro. So letter B, no? 4 microfarad. Okay. Okay, next.